Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and let out a quiet sigh? The once smooth, rosy skin is now slowly becoming duller, with speckles of dark spots appearing on the cheeks, spreading quietly over the years. You still wash your face every day, still apply layers of creams, yet your skin continues to decline without an obvious reason. Could something be missing? A vital piece you've unknowingly neglected all this time? What if that miracle lies right in your familiar kitchen, so close, yet not truly appreciated? Hello and welcome back to Live Well Every Day. Today, I want to share with you a simple, budget-friendly skincare method that has surprised many with its effectiveness, noticeable after just a few weeks of use. No expensive cosmetics, no complicated treatments, just a gentle combination of two familiar ingredients. One we often pour down the drain, and one tiny capsule costing only a few cents at the pharmacy. But before diving into the recipe, let's first talk a bit about the skin, because understanding your skin is the first and most important step in caring for it properly. Skin isn't just the outer layer that covers the body. It's the body's largest organ and often the first to show signs of internal imbalance. When your hormones are balanced, your mood is good, and your liver functions efficiently, your skin will appear bright, even-toned, and full of life. But if you often stay up late, eat irregularly, live under stress, or don't protect your skin from sunlight, it will gradually become dry, dehydrated, dull, and age prematurely. Many people assume melasma only appears after the age of 30, but in reality, it can occur earlier, when hormones are imbalanced, when the liver is overloaded, or when using products incompatible with your skin type. Some only use an unknown whitening cream for a few weeks, but suffer the consequences for years. So, if you want to maintain healthy skin, the key is not in finding a stronger cream, but in understanding what your skin truly needs, and nourishing it from within. Skincare isn't just about outer coverage, it starts from small things: quality sleep, healthy meals, and consciously choosing natural, safe ingredients to nurture your skin daily. And from those very simple elements, I invite you today to explore a skincare formula made from just two easy-to-find ingredients, but with truly noticeable benefits. So, how exactly do we prepare this formula? How should it be used for optimal effect? And are there any precautions to keep in mind? Let's continue, because what comes next is the most important part of today's video. Now, let's dive into the heart of today's topic, where I'll explain the true benefits of these two seemingly ordinary ingredients that carry exceptional value for your skin: rice water and the EDA vitamin capsule. Let's start with rice water. When it comes to skincare, miracles don't always come from pricey products or advanced technology. Sometimes, they begin with simple, familiar things that have been in your kitchen every day but rarely noticed. Rice water is a prime example. That milky liquid left over after rinsing rice, which many people casually discard, is actually a natural extract packed with nutrients, if processed and used correctly. Typically, the second rinse of rice gives you the best quality, clean enough to remove impurities but still rich in vitamins and minerals from the rice's outer layer. Let it sit for 4 to 6 hours, and you'll see a soft layer of white starch settle at the bottom. That's the most concentrated part of the rice essence, containing high levels of B vitamins, like B1 and B3, and ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant that brightens skin, protects cells from UV damage, and slows aging. Rice water also contains allantoin, a compound known to soothe, repair, and support skin regeneration. It's especially great for sensitive skin or areas mildly damaged by sunlight, cosmetics, or weather. What's beautiful about rice water is that it doesn't whiten your skin instantly like bleaching agents do. Instead, it nurtures gradually and gently, but powerfully. Used correctly and regularly, your skin will feel softer, appear brighter, more even-toned, and healthier from within. As for the EDA vitamin capsule, this is a soft gel supplement containing a blend of 3 essential vitamins: vitamin E, vitamin D, and vitamin A, each playing an important role in restoring and protecting the skin. Vitamin E, usually about 400 IU per capsule, is one of the most potent antioxidants. It neutralizes free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. When applied topically, it softens the outer skin layer, deeply hydrates, and reinforces the skin's natural lipid barrier. This means your skin retains moisture better, becomes plumper, and shows fewer wrinkles. It also calms irritated areas, reduces flakiness, dryness, and itchiness, especially during seasonal changes or when the skin is dehydrated. While it's not a replacement for sunscreen, studies show vitamin E may boost skin resilience under mild sun exposure and help soothe sun-stressed skin. Vitamin A, though present in smaller amounts, is key to skin regeneration. In forms like retinol palmitate or retinol, it stimulates the production of new skin cells, encourages natural skin turnover, and fades dark spots and melasma. It also promotes collagen synthesis, plumping thin skin areas, smoothing wrinkles, and improving elasticity. Because it penetrates deep into the dermis layer, vitamin A is often considered a gold standard ingredient in anti-aging skincare. Vitamin D may not be as frequently mentioned in skincare, but it plays a crucial role in local immune regulation. When skin reacts to irritants, inflammation, or hormonal changes, vitamin D can reduce redness, calm inflammation, and strengthen the skin's defense barrier. For weak, sensitive, or reactive skin, this vitamin helps restore balance and resilience. What's special is that these three vitamins are carefully blended by manufacturers in a balanced ratio. When diluted and applied with a gentle base like rice water, the EDA capsule delivers deep nourishment and skin recovery, without clogging pores or creating a greasy residue, which is often a concern with direct oil applications. Thanks to the synergy between the antioxidant power of vitamin E, the deep renewal from vitamin A, and the immune support of vitamin D, this combination provides a natural, safe, and effective way to care for your skin, especially when used consistently and in the right proportions. When rice water and the EDA vitamin capsule are combined, they create a balanced blend of two essential elements in skincare: a gentle water base and a nutrient-rich oil essence. The rice water, with its light consistency and mineral richness, acts as a carrier, helping nutrients absorb more deeply into the skin, gently cleansing leftover fine dust, and naturally brightening the complexion. Meanwhile, the oil from the EDA capsule locks in moisture, preserves hydration, and delivers essential vitamins to repair and regenerate aging or damaged skin cells. This balance between water and oil, between gentle minerals and revitalizing vitamins, creates a nourishing mask that's gentle yet effective. Perfect for at-home skin treatments. This mixture doesn't give instant whitening results, but over time, it fades dark spots, evens out skin tone, reduces pigmentation, and boosts elasticity and skin vitality, when used consistently at least 2 to 3 times a week. What's most important is that this formula doesn't strip the skin or thin out its natural protective barrier. On the contrary, it strengthens the skin from within. Each skin cell is gradually provided with enough moisture and nutrients, allowing it to self-repair micro-damage through the body's natural healing process. This sustainable inner recovery is the real foundation for glowing, healthy skin, reducing long-term dependency on cosmetics. Dear friends, to make this formula, use the second rinse of rice water and let it settle naturally for about 4 to 6 hours. Once the starch settles at the bottom, gently pour out the clear water on top and keep the condensed layer beneath. Cut open one EDA vitamin capsule and squeeze its contents into the rice water. Stir gently with a clean spoon to blend. After washing your face in the evening, soak a cotton pad in the mixture and apply it evenly to your face. Massage gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. It's best to use this method 2 to 3 times per week. preferably at night when your skin has time to rest and absorb nutrients effectively. Even though this method is natural and gentle, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you have sensitive skin, active dermatitis, rashes, or a history of allergies to vitamin E, please patch test on a small area like your wrist or behind the ear. Only apply it to your face if no adverse reaction occurs within 24 hours. For those with very oily or acne-prone skin, use this mixture sparingly, about once a week, to monitor how your skin reacts. And most importantly, no skincare routine is complete without daily sun protection. Without proper UV defense, all your efforts to care for your skin can be undone by the sun's damage. Dear viewers, to truly achieve healthy, radiant skin, caring from the outside is not enough. Skin is the last organ to receive nutrients in the body's circulation. When internal issues arise, liver fatigue, hormonal imbalance, or vitamin and mineral deficiencies, the skin often shows it first. Dullness, dryness, breakouts, pigmentation, or early aging. That's why, alongside topical care, I sincerely encourage you to pay attention to your daily diet. A well-rounded nutritional plan, especially rich in natural collagen, vitamins A, E, C and omega-3, can greatly improve elasticity, slow aging, and boost skin recovery. Simple, healthy meals every day are a long-lasting way to nourish your skin from the inside. Foods like salmon, eggs, chicken feet stew, and bone broth are excellent natural collagen sources. Dark leafy greens, pumpkin, carrots, oranges, and mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, provitamin A, to brighten skin and strengthen immunity. Nuts such as walnuts, almonds, and chia seeds not only benefit the heart but also provide vitamin E and omega-3s to make skin softer and smoother day by day. Don't forget water. Staying hydrated is a basic yet critical step. Dehydrated skin is more prone to flaking, bacterial infection, and breakouts. 1 to 2 liters per day, depending on your body type and activity level, helps maintain natural moisture and regulate oil production. However, no matter how healthy your diet or skincare routine may be, if certain harmful daily habits persist, it's hard for the skin to improve. The first bad habit: staying up late. After 11 p.m., the body enters detox mode, especially the liver and hormones. If you're still on your phone, working late, or lacking sleep, your liver gets overworked, hormones become imbalanced, and by morning, your skin looks tired, darker, and prone to breakouts. Next is a diet high in sugar, oily or spicy foods. This increases insulin levels, disrupts metabolism, triggers excessive oil production, clogs pores, and causes inflammation and hidden acne. Many people wonder why their skin worsens despite skincare, and this is often the answer. Lastly, but I want to stress this again, never forget sun protection. Even if you're just indoors or near a window, UV rays can penetrate glass and silently damage your skin, triggering melanin production, causing dark spots, dullness, and accelerating aging. Dear friends, beauty doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, just a simple recipe, a bit of patience, and a quiet love for your skin each evening is enough to make a real difference. A cup of rice water, 1 tiny ETA vitamin capsule, and a gentle hand, these can become a healing gift for tired skin. But more importantly, it's about understanding what your skin needs and nurturing it in a smart, natural, safe, and sustainable way. I hope today's sharing has given you a new perspective, a close to home, easy to do, yet truly effective way to care for your skin right where you are. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to Live Well Every Day, and leave a comment below so I can hear your thoughts, questions, or personal tips. Every interaction you make is a motivation for me to keep bringing more useful and meaningful content to our community. Wishing you vibrant health, inner peace, and skin that glows more beautifully each day, naturally. See you in the next video of Live Well Every Day, with warmth and care herb.